The Voyagers are 800 kg of space vehicles, each moving at the speed of about 55,000 km per hour. NASA had attached a camera on them to photograph planets and the moons and study them. Together, they reached near Jupiter, Saturn, Titan, Uranus, and Neptune before escaping beyond the solar system in 2012 and 2018, 35 to 41 years after being launched. Most of the artistic images that we see of Jupiter and planets beyond it are available thanks to them. They also have a special gift for any intelligent alien species which finally manages to find them. They contain a special message about us, a phonograph record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc containing sounds and images carefully selected to portray the journey and vividness of life and culture on Earth, our world. This is the golden record that was included aboard in both Voyager spacecrafts. The contents of the record was selected for NASA by a committee chaired by Carl Sagan of Cornell University. The selection of content for the record took almost a year. Sagan and his associates assembled 115 images and a variety of natural sounds, such as those made by surf, wind, thunder, and animals, including the songs of birds and whales. It contains greetings of peace said in 55 different languages. To this, they added musical selections from different cultures and eras, spoken greetings in 55 ancient and modern languages, including 10 languages from India: Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, Odia, Telugu, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Kannada, and Rajasthani. It also has other human sounds like footsteps and laughter, and printed messages from US President Jimmy Carter and UN Secretary General Kurt Waldheim. The record also includes the inspirational message, "Por aspera ad astra," which is a popular Latin phrase meaning "through hardships to the stars" in Morse code. The cover of the golden record gives out the address of our solar system, using the position on 14 known pulsar stars from our Sun. On top of the disc, it is written, "The Sounds of Earth."